In this video, we are going to look about polymers and the biodegradable plastics. Before knowing about biodegradable plastic, we have to know how plastics are made. So, in simple words, we call plastic as polymers because it is a chain or 3D networks of repeating units, which is monomer. Example: plastic, rubber. So, we call the process in which the monomers link together to form a polymer is called polymerization. Now let's looking about the history behind how polymers are discovered or how plastics are made. John Wesley Hyatt in 1869 found the first artificial plastic or polymer. So the history behind will be interesting, like substitute for ivory was needed for playing billiard ball. Before, in the early stages, ivory were used as the balls, but as poaching of elephants became illegal and ivory was expensive, they need a substitute for it. So John Wesley Hyatt discovered a substitute which is made up of nitrocellulose, cotton and nitric acid. This is how the first plastic was made in 1869. Now coming into the applications of polymer, we have various applications and each and every important things around us are made up of plastics. First important application is polyethylene, which is used in plastic bags. Second one is nylon. From toothbrush to rope, it has various applications. Then backlight to make buttons, switches, that hard kind of plastic. Then PET, polyethylene terephthalate, which is used for making bottles. PVC, polyvinyl chloride for making PVC pipes, and polystyrene to make CD covers, plastic forks, etc. It mostly look like thermocols. You can see the pictures one by one, which is arranged in the same order as the applications. Though plastic is inevitable in our life and it has various applications, there is more disadvantages due to the synthetic polymers. First one is can be toxic to the ecosystem. Second, it takes hundreds of years to degrade. So we know plastic don't degrade easily, or it is non-biodegradable. So it takes hundreds of years and just sediment over the soil. Tons of millions of plastic are produced and remains in the sandpits. So we know as each product or plastic around us, we produce tons and millions of plastic, but they don't degrade. Then they just get accumulated on the landfills. Can be degraded only by UV or ocean current. Another important thing is microplastics. These microplastics are consumed by fish and the fish is consumed by humans. Just it's collapsing the whole ecosystem. So what is the solution for this? What can we do? The best solution till now is using our biodegradable polymers. We know that plastic don't degrade, but biodegradable polymers are degradable. They can be broken down by the environment naturally. So they decompose to natural byproducts such as CO2, water, biomass and inorganic salts, nothing like any toxic chemicals. There are two types of biodegradable plastics. One is natural polymers and other is synthetic polymers. Natural polymers are naturally available polymers like fibrin, collagen, gelatin, which are used in the medical field. Cellulose, starch are used in the ecosystem. These kind of natural polymers. Another is synthetic polymers, which is produced in the laboratory artificially, but they are biodegradable. Example: PLA, PGA, PLGA, PCL, PHPV, and it gives the ability to design like the way we want. You can think how this plastic will be degraded. So simply by microbial actions. So mostly these biodegradable plastics are aimed to be degraded by microbes. Other than that, there can be photo degradation using sunlight, chemical degradation like the chemicals present in the soil and the oceans, and enzymatic degradation like the enzymes produced from the microorganisms, and hydrolysis using water. But you can think these photochemical, enzymatic, hydrolysis all these factors required for a good microbial growth. So the main important theme is to get degraded by microbial action. Coming to the advantages and disadvantages of this biodegradable plastic, advantages are it can be designed tailorable. Second is reliable source of raw material. So as these raw materials are available in nature, it is reliable. We can't be, there is no need to be afraid of. There is no need to get panic of. There's no need to get panic of the raw material and its sources. Third is eco-friendly. It is, as it is taken from the nature, it is just again degraded in the nature, so it is eco-friendly. Helps in the environmental sustainability. Coming to the disadvantage, degrading ability can vary. Example: PCL. it degrades 80% in aerobic condition, but very low inside landfills. When it is dumped in landfills, its degrading capacity is very low. So in this video, we just look over about the plastics and their harmful effects, and what is the absolute replacement for the plastic, which is biodegradable polymers, and their applications, advantages, disadvantages, etc. Thank you.
If you love this video, please like it, comment your opinions on the comment section, please share it with your friends and family, especially students, and most importantly, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Follow us on the Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and the link of the pages in the description. Please do check it.